Hello YouTube. Now I just got this Bagless vacuum cleaner canister type from my sister. I gave her my pink Volta, so this doesn't happen again what has happened to this cleaner, and this is worst what I have seen when you don't take care of your Bagless vacuum, and you will see why this is so bad. Now, most common problem, dust bin and filters. Okay, now this doesn't come like it should be, and it doesn't close like it should be, but anyway, look, this is filter, or was, there is somewhere in there filter. And this is Cyclone chamber. Just look at this. This is just disgusting. Now, there is the filter. And this is pretty much clogged from the fine dust, but just all this was around this. Oh man. Now, if I can take this pin off, yes. There is stuff also there. Now, how this should work when this is in good order or new is that the dirt comes from here. It enters to the cyclone. This is the cyclone. Enters to the cyclone from that hole, and it spins this way. I believe, okay, this is this way it spins. So there is this opening where it enters. This is the actual canister side, but way this is designed, filter sits in there. This is very narrow, this gap, and yes, this doesn't, what a mess, I just can't believe it. But not only that, not only this, I have to clean this floor off. They have pets, a lot of them, and I really have to wash my hands. Now, there is also quite big amount of, I would guess, looking at this, big amount of dirt stuff and whatever in the motor, because this is where the suction comes from. Now, there is the exhaust filter, and not much better news here. Just look at this. this is covered in hair, animal hair or whatever hair it is. I mean, if you take care of your vacuum at all, you really shouldn't see this on the exhaust filter. A lot of hair. This should be just covered with, I mean, look at this, how this is fine dust, tons of it. And look at this, at the motor sits. Okay, this video I really don't even have to speak. Now this all hair and everything has gone through the motor. So I don't know if I can save this. This is a big, big mess. And there is the, sorry, my camera holder almost fell. So this is what happens when motor overheats. This was filter for the exhaust. Not filter, I mean gasket. And this is distorted because of a very hot running motor. So I don't know. Let's just hope that I can get nice cleaner. This is from this. This is never going to be excellent cleaner because of this Cyclone system, what this uses. But this dirt should be in here, not in the Cyclone chamber, and definitely not in the motor. So okay, this was a bit I am a bit upset about this, but I did expect something dirty, but this is extreme. I got also those telescopic pipe and hose. So not very happy picture, but now I have to clean this and let's see if I can save this. Okay, this video is almost 10 minutes, so goodbye for now.